In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text italic in Figma. Let's start with the most reliable visual method inside the interface. First, select the text you want to style. If you want the entire text layer to be italic, click the layer on the canvas to select it. If you only want a few words or a phrase italicized, double-click to enter text editing and drag to highlight just those characters. The choice you make here determines exactly what will change, so take a moment to get the selection right before moving on. With your text selected, look to the right-hand sidebar and make sure you are on the Design tab. This is where all the appearance controls live. In the typography section, you will see the font family, size, and other properties. Right below the font name, T here is a style dropdown that typically reads something like regular, medium, or bold. Click that dropdown. From the list of available styles, choose Italic. As soon as you select it, Figma applies the change to whatever you selected, either the highlighted portion or the whole layer. If you don't see an italic option in the list, it usually means the current font doesn't include a dedicated italic style. Figma only shows the styles that the font provides. In that case, confirm that you've selected the right text and the correct Design tab and then proceed with the method that works for your chosen font. When italic is available, selecting it here is the clearest way to get consistent results. Now, for a faster way when you are moving quickly through a design, you can use a keyboard shortcut to toggle italic on or off. Select the text layer or place your text cursor inside the text you want to affect, and press Ctrl-I on Windows or Cmd+I on Mac. Pressing the shortcut once applies italic. Pressing it again removes italic. This toggle behavior makes it easy to compare the look of your text without digging into menus. Just remember, the shortcut only affects what's currently selected, so make sure you've highlighted the right portion or selected the right layer first. That's all there is to it.